Right now we are at the international border with Myanmar. It is called Namli, and we have been visiting all the important points from Kaka to Wangli market, and now we are at Namli. This area, it has great potential for this trade and commerce, for international trade and commerce, which is in line with the Act East policy of India, which is the main focus to trade with the Southeast Asian countries. And in fact, this trade corridor, we should have at least 2, 3, 4 these trading points with other countries. When Bangladesh and India, they have around 24 these ICPs, Integrated Check Post. And where in Manipur, we have only one ICP, that is More. As of now, More is not functional because of the ethnic class for the last 3 years. If had it been this ICP operated here, then trade facilities and trade operation would have been in full swing in this area, because this is a peace zone. We have been focusing on peace in Manipur, because the trade and all these business activities has been in a standstill till today. So this area is having high potential for having this international trade, and this area is very vital for not only for this Manipur, it is for whole India. All the trade activities, informal trade activities, are still practiced here. From high value to low value, these commodities are being transacted here. And to capitalize this, to formalize this, we need to open ICP at the earliest. So in order to do that, many companies, many investors, they have been visiting this area for investment, even to construct hotels, also to construct this, to invest on this shopping complex, or for even for go downs, or for many things. And the very main purpose is for the young generations, those who are working. Many of our boys, young boys and girls, are working in other metropolitan cities, in the hotel industries, in these showrooms, and in many other these call centers, in many other activities. They are involved in many other metropolitan cities. So if we provide this, if we have a model town or this trading area here, they will not go there. They earn there and spend all whatever they earn there. If they work here, they will not need to spend on rent or on other fooding, everything. They will get it from home. They will stay at home. They will look after their parents. They will look after the need of the family. And in times of needs, they will come and help the family also. But now we don't have such facility. They have to be displaced from our area. So it is a prime time for us to have this model town and business center here. To set up business center is very important now. It is very necessary now. So by doing this, in order to get accomplish all these ambitious these projects, we need the cooperation and help from all quarters of our section of the people. So I appeal everyone, not only the Tangkhuls, but also all the people in Manipur and other states, neighboring states also, to come and invest here and to come and get involved in this, to make it successful. So this is a very important area. It is very viable area to set up such market, to set up such this trading area. And as we know, whatever we do, economy is very important. Those who control economy control everything. And now, in order to have this trade successful, we need the cooperation not only from the local, not only from the public. We need from those who are in the authority. They have to invest in this area. They have to think for this area. This is one of the Act East policy program also. It is alternative route also. It is more easier to come in this area other than More. More has a hilly, rugged hilly terrain. Even to construct railway route also it is difficult. Here it is very easy, and it is quite nearer to Imphal state capital also. So for that, in my constituency we are trying our best to keep this peace a chance. We are trying, every individuals and every societies have been trying not to escalate the ethnic class between any section. We have been controlling. Everyone is loving for peace. Everyone is striving for peace. We have been looking for peace so that development and progress comes at the earliest.
So has any major step taken after the Land Port Authority visited this place?
Now there are three types of ports. There is land port, seaport, and airport. So in this area, the most viable thing is land port. So as we have been pursuing for the last 2-3 years, so the land port have visited here and they have seen this area, and they have agreed that this the setting up of ICP is viable here and it is feasible. So they have come and they are in the process, and after that now infrastructure development is taking place. Now bridge construction for 14.5 crore, around 14.5 crore bridge is coming up, and road construction is coming up, and this network connectivity. There was no network connectivity before, this mobile network connectivities. Now they have already installed the tower and it is yet to function now. It will start functioning, and the power supply was not there. Now power supply has been already in place in most of the areas. Some few area is left out, and water supply also. For water supply we have proposed a dam, not only for drinking purpose, it is for other uses also. We have proposed a dam also, and the road straight from Pilong to Humin Thana to Moirang Thil, straight road that is connecting the boundary. The road is coming up. We have proposed that also, and many infrastructure development, basic infrastructure development is coming up.
What is the actual total size of this proposed township?
No, there's nothing such specific size. It depends on how we set up. Now ICP is just only a gate. Integrated check post is only a gate. From Huimin Thana to Moirang Thel, in between anywhere you can set up any trading point or market. You can set up anywhere. It is hardly just 35 kilometer distance from Moirang Thel to Huimin Thana. In between this, it is almost the same as Sekmai to Imphal, the distances. So in between, anyone who wants to set up any business, then if road is there, if facilities are given, it will not take time to travel. So wherever convenient place you find, you can set up, you can buy land, you can set up factories, you can set up industries, you can set up this shopping complex. Now I have already have spoken to these other investors investors in Delhi and other these foreigners to set up this hospital also, or to set up all the schools, college, even this university also. I have requested them, so they will come up. They are coming up.
Okay. How soon can we expect this ICP to be in place here?
Actually, timeline, I cannot give a timeline. It is a process. So it depends on the government also. It depends on the situation also. As of now, Manipur is facing this ethnic class situation. So in fact, if there was no such problem, president rule was there in between. So if such crisis was not, it would have been considerably, it would have been improved, or it would have done some amount of this works here.
So has the locals voluntarily donated lands to the government to set up the ICP?
Yeah, for ICP, this Kaka, this Chiya khullen Ajay, they have donated 200 acres of land. And in addition to that, 1,800 acre, procurement of 1,800 acre from the Kaka, the government of Manipur has processed on direct purchase. They have that is in process. So to set up that, now government of Manipur recently has installed a new government, Manipur. Now let's see how the new government takes this, whether they took seriously or not. Let's see. I hope that Honorable Chief Minister Sri Khemchand have already visited here before, when he was RD and PR minister. He has seen all the area topography, and that time he was very keen to set up this. Now luckily he has become a chief minister. Let's see how he tackle and how he pursue this.